All right, boys and girls, the first task we have in this video is to set up a shortcut to the Panorama Middle School homepage. I need you to do this. This is pretty easy to do, and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is right-click on the desktop. Then we go down to New. Then we go to Shortcut. I'm sure a lot of you guys have already done this, but this is just kind of a reminder. So HTTPS double backslash www.hsd2.org/PMS. Give you a second. If you look up there again, see if you need the address. It's https colon double backslash www.hsd2.org/PMS. Put that in, go ahead and hit next. From there, we're going to name our shortcut. Let's just call this one Panorama. And then we're just going to hit finish. Should pop up there. You should see this. Now, looks at the symbol, unfortunately, looks exactly like the Google Chrome. But we'll get through that, just that you have the panorama. If any of you guys know how to change that, let me know. The symbol there, something unique that'd be kind of cool. But just change it to panorama. Just double click it. Make sure it goes there. And there we go. In our future lessons here, we'll go on a couple more steps where we're going to need to learn how to log on to Canvas so we can get to all our online stuff. So there you go, our first lesson. Thanks.